originally made by Gloster, looking quite bulbous, centrifugal turbojets they were called. About 7,000 pounds of static thrust from both of those engines together. Compare that with the 27,000 pounds from the F-16's engine that we were seeing just now, all from a single engine. So Meteor designed by George Carter. He previously worked on the Gloster Gladiator, an old biplane. And he'd also designed the first British jet aircraft of all, the E-2839, that allowed Frank Whipple's Powerjet's W1 engine to get airborne in 1941. So Meteors were used successfully against the B-1 Doodlebug flying bombs at RAF Coltershall. So it's rather nice now that the Air Atlantique Classic Air Force have been able to return her to her birthplace at Coventry. I hang in the back of one of these when I was training to be a navigator. They sat you in the back and gave you a funny navigation aid called G, and you got to look into the radar and exciting things like that. Role as a night fighter, it was for the time reasonably heavily armed, 4 Hispano cannon in the outer wings, 20mm cannon. Could almost get to 500 miles an hour, so faster than the contemporary Spitfires, but not by a huge amount. So John Corley giving us a lovely, gentle display from this graceful old lady. Actually, I've just realised she's the same age as the Vulcan, this aeroplane.